Bonjour class. All right, so we're gonna do some practice for your upcoming listening test. There's gonna be two different parts to the listening test. Part one is I'm gonna say like a greeting to you, like bonjour, and then you circle an appropriate response, like salut. Okay, or maybe I'll ask you a question like comment t'appelles-tu? And you'll circle a name because comment t'appelles-tu is asking someone's name. Okay, we will practice that in class. The second part, there's going to be 3 different dates that I'm going to say to you, and you need to include the day of the week, the number, and the month in your answer. Okay, so each of your answers worth 3 points for including, like, for example, today when I'm recording this is, I would say lundi le 18 septembre. So in your answer, you would include Monday the 28th of September. Okay, so they're each worth 3 points. So, for example, as you guys are listening and when you're working on this, as you guys are listening and you're working on this, you might want to get out your vocab 5 as well as your numbers. If you don't feel comfortable with the vocab 5 or with your numbers yet, you should go back and review those over the Quizlets before you do this activité. Okay, this activité would be a really, really good example of whether or not you will be successful on the listening test that's coming up. So go ahead and go study vocab 5 and the numbers if you haven't yet, because you cannot use the vocab on your actual test. Okay? Okay, go do that and then come back. All right, so our example, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say in French the day of the week, the number, and then the month, giving you the date, and you're gonna write it in English. I'm gonna do the example for you right now. So get a pencil ready if you want to practice or just listen. I'm gonna say jeudi le 9 avril. Jeudi le 9 avril. So the day of the week is jeudi, which is, you will type Thursday. Le 9 is the 9th. The 9th is le 9. You guys know 9 is 9. And then I said avril. Avril is April. Okay? So you can use your answer just like this. If you want to make it more like American or English, you could put Thursday, the 9th of April. Or you could also put Thursday, April 9th. Okay? Obviously, in class, you're going to be writing this on a piece of paper. We're not going to be typing it. But this assignment will help you with what the test is going to be like I've said before. All right, so we're going to move on. We're going to pretend this is like a test. You will be typing your answers. And of course, this is a screencast, so you can like rewind and listen as you guys need to. All of your answers should be typed in English. All of your answers should include a day of the week, a number, and the month in English, just like I just typed up here. Okay? In class, when we take the test, I'm going to be repeating each one 3 times, so that's what I'm going to do here, okay? All right, so you guys are going to come back through and fill in number 1, 2, 3, and 4 on your Canvas assignment. I'm not going to do that right now because this is practice for you to see if you know what you're doing. All right, here we go. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Okay, number 1. Vendredi, le 20 juin. Vendredi, le 20 juin. Vendredi, le 20 juin. Okay, so the number on that one was 20. Okay, pause if you need to. Number 2, your date is lundi, le 5 octobre. lundi, le 5 octobre. Lundi, le 5 octobre. Moving on to number 3, pausing as you need to, of course. Number 3, mercredi, le 16 janvier. Mercredi, le 16 janvier. Mercredi, le 16 janvier. So typing in, don't forget, you need the day of the week, the number, as well as the month for all 4 of these. Moving on to your last one, number 4. Here we go. Dimanche, le 2 mars. Dimanche, le 2 mars. Dimanche, le 2 mars. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Pause and go back through. If you guys need any repeats, you will be able to ask me for repeats, of course, in class, but I am not there at your house with you right now, so you can't ask me for repeats. So, good luck, I guess. If you found this difficult, please, please, please go back and review vocab 5. Go back and review your numbers 0 through 31. I will be more likely to use numbers 0 through 20 because I think they're easier for you guys. Fill out number 1, 2, 3, and 4. They should be all filled out below by now. And email me with any questions. I will see you in next class. Au revoir.